And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 179. Let me show the custom filter. It can be found right here under other, and it's certainly not a filter for beginners. It looks a little bit intimidating as we get this number matrix. But in principle, all other filters that exist are based on the calculations done here. So if you know a little bit more about image processing, you can adjust this here manually. Let us, for example, create some edge detection. It's usually done with -1, and in center you have a different value. If we go up, it brings more details back. And for basically every other filter, there is a matrix. If you're wondering where can you find these specific numbers, you can find a couple of basic ones on Wikipedia. Just search for this page right here. It's called Kernel Image Processing. Gives you a little bit more info about how this is calculated. And then there are examples for the kernel. And what you can also do is to just ask ChatGPT. For example, I did it here. I just asked it to give me some examples and then use the numbers from the examples in your custom filter. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.